Hi everybody, this is Ruby from the Eagles. I thought I would show you a project that we like to do sometimes in the Eagles where we make our own watercolors out of dried out markers. So I have a bunch of markers here. They don't really work anymore. So what we can do is take them apart and turn them into paint. So we need to take out the color part of the marker. I like to use pliers, but it's kind of tricky. You need to pull out the part of the marker that colors, and then the really difficult part is getting the marker open. And then there's a big stick in the middle that has a lot of color in it. Now, take all of the colorful parts out of all your markers and put it into water. It's a good idea to get a couple of each color that are dry, but you don't want to waste your good markers on this project. So you just slide them out, put them in the water, and mix it up. Now it's a good idea to let this soak for a while so that all the color comes out, because right now it's not very strong. But I have one that we've had soaking for a long time in the Eagles, almost a month probably. And if we try this one, you can see that it makes a beautiful paint. So that's how you make your own watercolor. Thanks for watching.